Okay, this is just interpreting graphs, answering some questions about the graph, looking at the graph and kind of understanding all the aspects of it. First question is this linear? No, it's not linear because it's not a straight line. Okay, it curves, so it's not linear. Doesn't have symmetry. Symmetry would be the same on both sides. Okay, a parabola has symmetry because if you cut it in half, it's the same on both sides. This, if you cut it in half, it's not equal on both sides, so it does not have symmetry. Where are the intercepts? The intercepts are at -4, so -4, 0. It's at 1, 1, 0, and it's at 4, 4, 0. Okay, those are the x-intercepts. There's also a y-intercept up here, so that's 0, 1. Okay, so you're going to list all the places it crosses the x and y axis. All right, where is it positive and where is it negative? Okay, positive and negative is determined by the x-axis. Okay, so x right here, this blue line right here, determines where it's positive or negative. So above that line is positive, below that line is negative. So from -4 to -infinity, it's negative. And from 1 to 4, it's also negative. Okay? Now, where it's positive from -4 to 1, and it's positive from 4 to infinity. Okay, so it's positive and negative, and you have to kind of describe where it's positive and where it's negative. Where is it increasing and decreasing? Increasing is kind of like positive slope. Decreasing is kind of like negative slope. Okay, so here, from this point right here, we're going up, so that's increasing. So it's increasing from this point, let's say that's 2.5 maybe. So from 2.5 to infinity, it's increasing. It's also increasing right here. It's increasing from, let's say that point's -2, from -2 to negative infinity, increasing. And it's decreasing this way, going from left to right. It goes from, -2 to 2.5. Okay, so increasing is this way. This way, decreasing is this way. So kind of like positive slope versus negative slope. Are there max or min? There's no min because it goes on forever here. There's no max because it goes on forever up here. But there is relative max, relative min. So this point right here would be the relative max. Okay, relative. And this point down here would be the relative min. And end behavior. End behavior is basically talking about what's happening at the arrows. Okay, what's it doing at the end? So as x approaches infinity, y approaches infinity. So as x goes up, y goes up. So what's this arrow doing? It's going up, so it's approaching infinity. What's this arrow doing? It's going down, so it's approaching negative infinity. As x approaches negative infinity, y approaches negative infinity. Okay, so one more time, I'll go through these again. Is it linear? No, because it's not a straight line. Is it symmetrical? No, because if you cut it in half, it's not the same on both sides. Where are the intercepts? The intercepts are where it crosses the x-axis, where it crosses the y-axis. Positive and negative is determined by the x-axis. Okay, it's positive up here, and it's negative down here. So it's positive on that loop and that last part, and it's negative on this last part and this loop right here. Where is it increasing or decreasing? Increasing is like positive slope, okay, and decreasing is negative slope. So it's increasing from this point to infinity and from this point to negative infinity, and it's decreasing from this point to this point because it's going that way. Is there a max and min? Technically no, but there are called relative max, relative min. So that point is the highest point in that area, so that's the relative max. that point is the lowest point, so that's the relative min in that area. And then end behavior talks about what's happening with these arrows, what are these doing? As x approaches infinity, y approaches infinity, it's going up. And as x goes this way, y is going down, the arrow's going down, so that approaches negative infinity. Okay, so those are all the kind of things that you're going to have to do on the quiz at the end of the week. Alright, let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.